Professor Birdsong, in this day and age with so much racial tension and cultural tension, what do you think an active law student should be doing in response to this, if they should be doing anything in response to the national situation?
Yeah, I understand the question, and again, it is a very good one. You know, as a law professor and a person who has been around for a while, first of all, I think with what's going on that you should do as well as you can in law school, get the best grades you can, and try to get the best job you can or start your own practice or whatever. But at the same time, I say that it's probably okay to get into organizations that might help us as a people, the NAACP or whatever organization you might want to get into. Black Lives Matter, you know, I think that's certainly a good movement. I think we always have to think of fighting the good fight, but some are better fighters than others. Some people have to be thinkers. Some people have to be the payroll people. Some people have to bankroll. I was never in the forefront, but I had at least one chance to march with Martin Luther King when he was doing some things in Chicago. I don't think my one march with him did anything, but who knows? At least I knew I was in there. So again, if you want me to address this to law students, I think in law school you got to be thinking about what your career is going to be and focus on doing the best and being the best lawyer you can be. Now, it sounds corny. I've been a lawyer for 42 years. I think I've said that already. It is a profession that has been good to me. Everyone won't have the career that I've had, nor would want to have the career that I have. And there may be better opportunities out there. You know, I was the traditional lawyer, big law firm, State Department, U.S. Attorney's Office, you know, law professor. I mean, that's been a great career, but that may not be your career, but it may be something else. You know, if you have a law degree, you can do a lot of things. You know, sometimes I sit in front of my TV at home and watch some of these dramas about lawyers like Law and Order, which I think is now off. But, you know, I sometimes wish I could write some of that stuff. I'm not that kind of writer. But I know the people who've written these things are lawyers, because there have been 3 times I've been home watching my television after a hard day in court, and I said, boy, that story seems familiar. And I keep listening, and I realize, hey, wait a minute, that's one of my cases. Why am I not writing this stuff? Well, I can't use my law background to do that sort of thing. But some people have taken some of the cases I've been in, and they've dramatized it, and they make money from it.